the behavior of inductor in an AC circuit. So let's draw an inductor first. It's like a coil only. It's connected to a AC source. Now, AC source voltage, you know that V equals to Vm sine omega t. Voltage developed across inductor is going to be VL. So formula for I is I equals to 1 over L.
I am sine omega t, no?
Yeah, integration over V dt. So 1 over L, V is how much? Vm sine omega t. So solving this, we get Vm upon L sine integration is minus cos omega t, and whatever with along with t we have to divide with that, so upon omega. So this we can write minus Vm upon omega L into cos omega t. So in V we had sine, for I we have cos. So sine and cos, to make it similar, we can write I equals to Vm upon omega L into sine omega t minus pi by 2. So cos ko if you want to write sine, so you can like do like this. So here we can say that now the expression for I also have sine in that, and for Vm also we had sine, but then there's a difference of 90 degrees. So because of this only we say that the Vm, or that is voltage across inductor, leads the current by 90 degrees. So we can say Vm, or the potential voltage leads the current by what value? 90 degrees. So phasor diagram if you would like to draw, first waveform and then phasor will draw. Waveform, this is for V, and for current is going to be, current is going to lag by what amount? By 90 degrees. So it may be like this. The blue one is current. Phasor diagram may go like this. Also, here you can write I equals to Vm by omega L, where XL is 1 upon omega L. Sorry, XL is omega L, because I equals to V by R, no? So XL is omega L. That is called as inductive reactance. Unit is ohms only.
Yes, sir.
Ohms.
Whereas omega c is 1 upon
if
xc, no?
frequency goes to 0, in case frequency goes to 0 hertz, XL will be 0. Reason, XL is 2 pi FL. Frequency 0, XL 0. Frequency 0 is for what? That is for DC. In case of DC power supply, frequency goes to 0. Any doubt? Phase difference phi equals to 90 degree. And then power factor. Power factor also you know that it, yeah, cos phi, perfect. And cos 90 is 0, hence 0. And instantaneous power, that we can write P equals to VI. That is P equals to Vm sin omega t into Im sin of omega t minus pi by 2. If we solve this, again we get it as minus of Vm upon Im, Vm Im upon 2, that is root 2 into root 2 into sin 2 omega t. Any doubt in this?